Okay, everyone. We're now going to go into the Warrior Workout Camps fitness app, and we're going to show you how to use this thing. So first you open the app. Once you open the app, you're going to see your dashboard. You can see completed workouts, completed cardio, your current weight, progress photos. There's two things that are really important to know with the app. Number one is at the very bottom, you want to go to the calendar. Now on the calendar, I've set different workouts for different days for you. So, for example, today, Thursday, we're going to look here. You're going to see elliptical cross trainer and timed back 3 to 4 day split routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is, as soon as I get to the gym and start working out, I'm going to go to the elliptical cross trainer. I'm going to tap on that. All right. So once that happens, all I'm going to do is just hit check in. And it shows the number of cardios I've done. I'm going to hit the X in the top left screen to get out of there. Then I'm going to go to the timed back after my 15 minutes on the elliptical. Click on that. Now here we have a list of your exercises. You can scroll all the way down. Now these timed workouts are a little different. You're actually going to do these for a certain amount of time and not repetitions. So for example, at the very top you can read, this is a timed workout. Note that you can pause the workout if you need more time in between sets or you're waiting for a piece of equipment to become available. So let's just see real quick. They're going to go on this first exercise, this lat machine, wide grip pull down. Tap on that. All right, so this is the actual exercise that I want you to do. Now you can hit the screen here and you'll actually see a video of how to do the exercise the right way.
In this exercise, we're going to be isolating the lats. You want to make sure that you're squeezing the...
All right, so we're going to go back and hit this left button. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're actually going to track this workout. So all the timed workouts, you want to track it because it's going to have a built-in timer. So let's hit track, and then at the very bottom, hit start workout. Okay, now if you have headphones in, you're going to be able to hear the actual countdown, and it's going to say what exercise to do. So it's going to say lat machine wide grip pull down. Then go ahead and start doing the exercise. You're going to see these are counting down. So you don't have to have your eye on your phone the whole time. We're going to go through this whole thing and let this count down while I speak to you. So as you're doing these lat machine wide grip pull downs, it's important to remember anytime you're doing any back exercise, you want to have a very, very loose grip on the bar. So barely hold on to the bar, because what happens is when you tighten your grip and you're pulling down, your forearms will actually give out before your back does. So that goes for any back exercise. So in about 10 seconds, you're going to hear the countdown of 3, 2, 1, and then you know to rest.
3, 2, 1, rest.
All right, now you're going to rest for 1 minute in between sets. Now the great thing is, with the timed workout, it really forces you to take a minimal amount of rest time in between sets. And you and I know when you're at the gym and other people are around and maybe talking, you're maybe looking around, sometimes you may rest for a lot longer than just a minute. So this was a test. All right, so if you need to, let's say you're going to another exercise, all right, you can hit the bottom right, those two little lines, that's the pause button. Hit that button.
Workout paused.
And the workout's paused. So as soon as you get back to the piece of equipment that you need to get to, just hit this start button.
Resuming workout.
And it resumes the workout. Now you can see on the left-hand side, you're remaining only 15 minutes and 44 seconds left of the workout. So these time workouts make your workout shorter and more efficient. Now, if for some reason you need to stop the thing altogether, on the bottom left, that little square, go ahead and hit that.
Workout paused.
And then you can just hit end the workout.
Your workout is complete.
All right, so now if you want, you can track the stats or just end the workout. Tracking the stats means you're just adding the weight that you actually did for each exercise. So let's hit track stats. Okay. So you see set 1, lat machine wide grip pull down. You can, if you counted the amount of repetitions you did, let's say you did 20 of them in 1 minute. You hit 20, and let's say you did 100 pounds. All right, next set, you were given a little less time, so let's say you did 15 repetitions, and you added some weights, you did 120 pounds. And the third set, I think, was only maybe 30 seconds, so you should have only been able to get maybe 10 reps, and we'll say 140 pounds because you added weight. So you can do that for every single exercise here. All right, so then when you're done, just hit done in the top right corner, and then just hit save in the top right corner. And there you go. All right, again, you can go to the top left, hit the X, and you're out of there. Now, the other thing to note is at the bottom of the screen where it says calendar, right to the left of it says plans. Let's hit on plans. All right, so now at the very top, you have your meal plan. This is a sample meal plan. So let's hit view, and then view meal plan. All right, so now again, this is a sample plan. So if you look here, this would be just an idea of what would be good to have for breakfast. All right, 2 cups of water, 3 large hard-boiled eggs, half a cup of whole grain rolled oats, and a cup of blueberries. All right, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. Day 2 should be something a little different. So now if you scroll all the way down, because you're going to be given 7 days of this, scroll all the way down, and there's some recipes here. So you can make them or substitute for something else. At the very bottom, go all the way down, here we go. You have a shopping list. All right? So it's really helpful just to be able to see your shopping list. And then the portion guide, this gives you an idea of what portion sizes are. All right, now scroll all the way to the top. All right, and at the very top right, you'll see that little rectangle with an arrow. If you hit that, you can actually send a text message, you can mail it, you can print it if you have a Wi-Fi. All right, so we'll cancel out of that. We'll hit done in the top left corner. Brings us back to plans. All right, now underneath, scroll all the way down. All of these things, these are the actual workouts that make up your whole exercise program for right now. All right, so you're not going to do all of these in one day. I put a couple things on here just to give you an idea. If you're having some problems with your rotator cuff, all right, and it's not torn, but it may need to be strengthened, you can go to this rotator cuff strengthening workout and actually do that maybe on your day off. So let's click on that. All right, you can see here, there's 4 exercises. All right, so you can do that workout, and if you want to do that workout, just hit start now at the bottom. All right, and then you can track it. There you go. All right, I'm going to hit cancel on top left now to get out of there. I'm going to hit the X on the top left to get out of there. Okay, and then we're going to go back on the bottom to plans again. All right, so now let's just say you can't make it to the gym one day, but you want to get a workout in. All right, I put this timed fat loss at home workout, no equipment. All right, let's click on that. Okay, now this workout here, this is a tough workout. It's all basically exercises you can do at home that require 0 equipment except literally a chair. All right. So once you hit start now at the very bottom, we'll hit start now. And then we're going to hit track because it's timed. And then start workout. So now with this workout, you're going to do ab crunches for 30 seconds straight. Now underneath it, you can see where it says next and it says running in place. So you know already what you're going to be doing after you get done your ab crunches. So we're going to let this clock tick down just to give you an idea. And again, at the bottom left, you'll see it's 27 minutes and 40 seconds left. That's left in your whole workout. So this whole workout's like 28 and a half minutes long. It's not that long, but it's a full body,
2.
tough workout.
Running in place.
All right, now you go right to running in place with no break. See, and then you can see underneath the next exercise is reverse crunch. All right. All right, so we're going to hit the bottom left button, which is going to stop it.
Workout pause.
We're going to end the workout,
Your workout is complete.
and we're going to hit just end. And then we're going to go to the top left corner, and there's going to be a little X that appears. Hit that. Okay. Now, if you need to leave me a message, you can just hit Messenger. And you can actually send me a message right from here. Top right corner. There you go. All right, and then back to dashboard. So there you have it, my friends. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me, but I hope that helped a little bit.